Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you how to fix your sound if you don't want to pick up your keyboard and mouse sounds. So when you play a game and you hear that annoying keyboard and mouse sounds in OBS, obviously. So let's go to OBS. Okay, so in OBS, go to your mic section here, and click on this three dots. Essentially, you're gonna install a filter. So go down to filters, click on the plus sign, and then go to noise suppression. Okay, and then you can go on this low CPU usage SPWX, then play around with it. If that works for you, then great. But I just set it to RN noise and it works straight off. That's the only filter you need. Close that out and it will be fixed. Good.